This quick honest review is of the Lamas Purefection Exotic Oil Elixir. Let me show you. This is a product from a brand called Lamas. They make a range of skincare and hair care products. Their main benefits are for having all natural ingredients with no parabens and sulfate free as well. So that's what I really like about it. It's very natural ingredients. This particular product you can use in your hair as well as on your skin. It's comes in a spray bottle. So you just spray a bit into your palms and put it in your hair and also in your skin. I would say don't put it directly on your skin. Rather mix it with one of the, like a moisturizer or a sunscreen, something like that. As it is very sort of intense hydration. When I put it just directly on my skin, I look like I've just been working out. So, best to mix it with another sort of moisturizer. In your hair, you can just spray it directly on and massage it in. The price point for this product on Amazon runs at $46. So it is, it's a relatively expensive product. It is a premium product. However, it really does last a long time. So this particular bottle size, I'm just pulling it up here for you, is 56 milliliters, 1.86 floral ounces. And this should last like months. You don't need a lot. You just, one spray into your hands and that's it. Each time you use it, obviously depending on how much, how often you're wanting to use it, but this should last a good amount of time. So even though the price point is a bit high, because it lasts so long, I think it's definitely worthwhile. The smell is very subtle, scent or smell to it. Smells really, it's a nice, clean, natural scent. The product does have oils in it like hemp, baobab, broccoli, macadamia nut, argan, juniper oils. So it's also a very light. It's a very light oil. So it's not like super thick and heavy. It's a lightweight oil. So overall, really like it. Yes, price is a little expensive, but it is going to last. It should last you a long time. So I recommend this product. I've enjoyed using it, and I will buy it again. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.